Hi, I'm Scott, and I'm here with the LightTech Light Tip. And I'm here with the lovely Renee, who's going to be our model for today. Today we're shooting high-key lighting. And one of the things I find that are more important on high-key is to always know where your backlight is coming in. By watching your modeling light and seeing where it's hitting to make sure it's not striking the model and causing any kind of flare, always look and see where it's coming out, and usually drop it back about to where it's coming off of your light stands. The only other tricky thing you really want to watch out for is when you're shooting that your main light comes in up in the front and is equal as it is when it comes to the back. In other words, that your front light doesn't start dropping off and becoming gray in this area, and that your back light isn't too bright. So the trick is going to be on this thing is we're going to bring our lights down, power all the way down as much as we can on these, and pump up our power as much as we can out of the front. Therefore, the light that's being produced and is hitting Renee is the equal amount of light that's hitting our back. That way we have the nice, even all the way across white lighting. Now what we're using is the large Elinchrom Octabank as our main light, or only main light, since our other lights are just being backlights. The thing that is actually really different on an Elinchrom Octabank is that the fact that it shoots the light into the back of the bank and comes out of the front. Most lights are shot straight through and then through a baffle and then through the exiting baffle then onto the subject. This actually gives a more even and softer light because it is 100% reflective and then coming out of the front. Now, our camera settings on this particular shot is at ISO of 100. Our white balance is set to the strobe. And our shutter speed is at 1/25th of a second, and our aperture is f/14. I shot this just a few minutes ago. The light looked lovely, and we're ready to take some shots. Okay, great. Perfect. Hold it just like that. Very good. 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 Hold it like that. And the nice thing with the high key, if your light is glowing evenly enough, then we can go from a full-length shot to bringing it in close to a shot about knee-high, to where we can really come in really close and do a nice, really tight shot up the front here. Good. Perfect. Hold another one like that. Great. So you have the freedom to really be zooming in, zooming out, and as long as your exposure is good, you'll come up with some nice work. Hold it just like that on 3. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. I'll tell you what, those shots look fantastic. Those are super. One thing you always want to remember, though, if you want to maybe try and get a little more creative, if you want, you can always lower one of those lights in the back to get kind of a grayscale or a drop-off, or simply eliminate that light. But the way I like to do it is have everything nice, bright, and even. So, this is Scott Smith with your LightTech Light Tip. Remember, only use your lighting skills for good, never for evil.